How to register or open a new Discover account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register or open a new Discover account. For this, you want to download and install the Discover app on your device. Once you have installed this, you want to launch this application. Now, in order to register an online account, tap on Register an Account option. Select your bank account type. Then, enter the last four digits of your account number, choose your date of birth, enter the SSN or taxpayer ID, then enter your mother's maiden name and tap on the Continue option. After that, follow the on-screen prompts in order to register your new Discover account. If you do not have a Discover account, you can tap on Open an Account option here. Then select the type of account you want. In this case, I'm going to select savings. Now it's going to open up on a web browser. Tap on the Open an Account option. Now, if you are new to Discover, tap on Continue option for this. Here, you will have to enter some of your personal information. Start by entering your first name, middle name, last name, then enter your SSN or taxpayer ID. After that, enter your date of birth and enter the mother's maiden name. After that, check on the box that says I'm not a robot. Then you want to tap on the Continue option. Then on, you will have to complete some other steps as well, and after you have entered all the necessary details, your new Discover account will be opened. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.